Hi, welcome to Graphic Island tutorial. Today we have another project to be done, and this project is about church brand identity design. So here is the descriptions shared by the US Church Authority in my FB page. I have written the same things here in sequence. Let me read out the description, what the description is all about. We need a brand identity design for our church. I have searched for something, but it end up I have no idea. But what I am thinking about is the throne of God or the king crown, something like that. So this is the idea shared by the church authority. They are thinking about to use the scenario of throne of God or the king crown, something like that. After doing research on throne of God, I found this is the best possible idea we can use in the church logo. As the logo they are looking for the church, out of these two ideas, throne of God and the king crown, so I'll prefer to go with throne of God. So we'll keep this image in the mind and we'll utilize this image structure in this church logo. And here is the logo title. Tagline is not given, color is not recommended as well. Let's begin with the sketch. Here I'll draw the circle first. Inside of this first circle from the center, I'll draw another circle here by reducing the diameter. Inside of the second circle by reducing the diameter, and from the center I'll draw another circle here. Now from the center of the circle, let's draw a straight line which will hold the cross and form the axis. Now from here, let's draw the structure of the church. We can draw a straight line up to here. Similarly, this side, we can draw another straight line. And we can make an diagonal line like this from here to center and from here to center. Now from here, let me draw another straight line from here to here and from here to here. And here also, let's draw an angular line here from here to here and from here to here. We can make it like this. And from the top here, let me draw a straight line. This will form the cross at the top. Here put some gap and make a straight line here. Only join these two circles, and this side also do the same so that both sides should be balanced. Now let me write the text. Here at the center we'll write the O, and this side we'll write G. So it would be nicer when it passes the cross inside the O. Now here let me draw an window from here to here like this, and inside this put the cross. Similarly this side do the same. And put the cross inside. So here at the center we'll write the elements for throne of God. We'll draw the stairs from here like this. And this will be the railing of the stairs. From here we can take it up to here. And here we'll make it like this. In negative space, here we'll give the sunshine, like the light reflections like this. Now our sketch is ready. Now we'll take this sketch to the software and there we'll reconstruct it more perfectly and with more balancing. Once we bring our sketch to the software, the first thing we need to lock this image so that it will not do any movement or any disturbance while we recreate it. Now from the toolbar, take this pen tool and using shift key, draw a straight line here. This will form an axis. From here, increase the stroke so that the line will be more visible to us. Now take ellipse tool. By pressing shift alt key, drag it from the center and make a circle. Select this and do copy paste. Drag it down using shift alt key. Select this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift B and drag it down using shift alt key. Now take rectangular tool and draw a rectangle here. Drag it using alt key and make a duplicate and place at the top. Drag the rectangle from the down towards upside using shift key. Using add anchor point tool, add an anchor point at the intersection point. Now take this direct selection tool, select this anchor point using shift and upper arrow key, make the angle like this. Similarly, here also using add anchor point tool, add an anchor point at the intersection point and take direct selection tool, select this new anchor point using shift and upward arrow key on your keyboard, take this anchor point towards upside. Select this and take it down using down arrow key on your keyboard. Take this one little down too. Take rectangular tool once again and here draw a small rectangle like this. Take this direct selection tool, select this anchor point and this one using shift key and drag this point towards down and remove this outline color and give the fill color. Unite the shape. Now drag it using alt key and make a duplicate and place at the top. Drag it down using shift key and make the size smaller. Now select this one and from here increase the stroke. For this one also increase the stroke. Now select this one, do copy paste of the circle, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift B and drag it using Shift Alt key and place it at the center. Using pen tool, draw a diagonal line from here to here and increase the stroke. Now select this one and click on reflect tool. Drag the center point using alt key and place at the axis, vertical, copy. Select this one and drag it using alt key and make a duplicate. Select these two circles using shift key and from here increase the stroke. Increase the stroke for this one too. Now select this one and reduce the stroke little. Select it, click on reflect tool and drag the center point using Alt key and leave at the axis. Vertical copy. Now take scissor tool and cut the orange circle at two different intersection points and delete the lower curve. Select this one and copy paste in place, and we'll hide this one and use later on. Increase the stroke for this one. Here draw a straight line like this. Now select them using Shift key and go to Object and expand it. Now take Shape Builder tool, using Alt key delete unnecessary elements by following the sketch. Drag it using Alt key and make a duplicate. Now click on Reflect tool and drag the center point using Alt key and leave at the axis line. Vertical copy. Now select multiple objects using Shift key. Take Shape Builder tool using Alt key, delete it. Delete this one and this one. Here also do multiple selections using Shift key. Take Shape Builder tool using Alt key, delete it. Delete this part as well. Click twice and select it and delete it. Now take rectangular tool, here draw a small rectangle. This will form the window of the church. Now take direct selection tool, select the upper to anchor point using Shift key and drag it down. Now using pen tool, draw a straight line here. And another straight line horizontally. So this will form the cross on the window. Select this one and this one and increase the stroke from here. Let's change the stroke color to white and remove the fill color. And now expand it. Select this one and from here subtract it. Now select the window and click on Reflect tool. Drag the center point using Alt key and leave at the y-axis. Vertical copy. Now take rectangular tool and here draw a rectangle at the center of the axis. Using pen tool, here draw a straight line. This will form an axis. And let's check with the circle either our axis at the center or not. It is perfect. Now select this one and place at the center of the axis and drag it little up. Take direct selection tool, select the upper to anchor point and drag it down. And from here unite it. Let's remove the fill color of the element. And increase the stroke. Now take rectangular tool and here draw a rectangle. Now drag it using Alt key and make a duplicate and place it here. Drag it down and make the size smaller. Select both the elements using Shift key and from here click on blend option. Smooth color, OK. Again go to blend and make it. From here expand it and now ungroup it. Now select these two, take Shape Builder tool, using Alt key delete it. Now rearrange the stair steps in a perfect manner. Select this two using shift key, take shape builder tool using alt key, delete it. Using pen tool, draw the shape like this. Now remove the outline and fill this with color. Now draw another shape from here using pen tool. And complete the shape. Using direct selection tool, select this to anchor point and drag it. Now select these two elements using shift key, click on reflect tool, drag the center point and leave on the axis, vertical copy. Using text tool, let's write the text at the center curve. Drag the text limit to the other end of the curve. And from here, click on center alignment. Increase the font size. And here choose center. OK. Now double click at the text and write your own logo title here. Let's decrease the font size so that it can fit perfectly within the gap. Now it is perfect. So let's choose little bold. And now under the character from here, let's give some value and increase the gap in between the text. Now it is perfect. Now select the text and expand it. After expanding, ungroup it. Now select this one and give offset. Let's reduce the offset value as we don't need much gap between the text, and change the color so that the offset will be visible to us. Now take shape builder tool using alt key. Here delete it. Here also delete and create a gap. This one we can scratch it like this. Select this one, take shape builder tool using alt key. Here also create gap and delete it. Now select this and give offset. Now select this one, take shape builder tool using alt key, delete here, and now delete the offset. Now go to object and unlock the image and remove it from the background. Select them and unite it, make a single shape. Now go to object and show. So here what the circles we hidden before, now we make it visible. Take this one at the top. Now take pen tool, draw a straight line from the center. So here is the center, draw a straight line using shift key. So this will form the light rays. And here choose a profile, increase the stroke. Now click on rotate tool, drag the center point of the element to the center of the circle and leave it here. Give angle 7.5. Preview it. It is perfect. Now copy, Ctrl D and repeat this transformation until it completes 360-degree. Now delete those down arrows, we don't need them anymore. select them, unselect using shift key, and from here unite it. Now delete this one. Do right click on your mouse and send them to back. Delete this circle, we don't need it anymore. Select this one and give offset. Now unite the offset and select this using shift key, take shape builder tool, using alt key, delete it. Select them and unite it and apply the color and fix the golden color angle. You can make it by yourself. I have ready made this golden color, so I applied it. Now here draw background using rectangular tool, choose the black color for the background and do right click and send it to back, and we are done. So after submission of the logo, here I have given few variations to the client for best selection, and this is the one the customer selected in the golden color. And here is the customer feedback you can see here. Hope you understand the complete process of logo design from beginning to the end. If you like this tutorial, then you can subscribe our channel for more updates. And here I am Abul Mansoor. See you in next video. Have a nice day.